rescued a jet ski and a flip-flop. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's a terrible angle. So right now Amy Lee is baking breakfast, which she's making everybody cinnamon rolls, which sounds so delicious, but I have my gluten-free, dairy-free waffles that I'm gonna have, so I'm excited about that. But we are gonna go for a run on this beautiful day. It is really, really nice, really windy. It thundered and lightning last night in the middle of the night, so it kind of cooled things down. This is what it's like today outside. A beautiful day. We're gonna eat, probably go into town, run some last few errands because tomorrow is the holiday and my mom's birthday. And then we're gonna spend the day outside in the water. Another perfect day. Ooh, Amy Lee, those look so good. Yummy. We just came back from our run. It is, no joke, so humid outside. Boys are all watching soccer. I gotta get dressed and I need to get ready to start our day because we're gonna go into town. He floated away. Wow. Where was it? Wow. You rescued a jet ski and a flip-flop. It is crazy out here. They're tying down all the boats. The water is no joke. This fabulous meal Amy Lee has made, and Aaron. Turkey bacon, sausage, more turkey bacon, fruit. This is mine.
I brought this.
Oh wow, great job. And look at these. These look incredible. These do not compare.
Anytime, every time.
Delicious. Party time. Hello. We are heading to a different town to do some errands. We got to pick up all these fun little things and hopefully the water will calm down because it's so rough out there. So we definitely can't go boating or tubing or sea-dooing. We'll probably go swimming, but it's so fun to put everything in the water. Anyways, that's okay. Oh my gosh.
Really, you should take a picture in it. Seriously.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
Just like how best it tests it.
Wow.
Canada!
Let's see. I like it.
Actually, it looks.
Actually, you look cool. Indiana Jones. Body glove.
Stop it.
Wow, you're so trendy. So we're here at the lake and we are figuring out whether we're gonna go swimming. Hope is gonna go in, Olivia's gonna go in. Andrew's already landing. What were you gonna say?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so much seaweed.
Yeah, and Amy Lee is sunbathing. But it is perfect, like it is so hot. Really, really, really wanna go tubing. Woo, the summer! We are heading home. Did you have a good time, Amy Lee?
I had a great time.
We were out on the boat, in the water for like 3.5 hours. And now we're gonna head to the other cottage and get ready for dinner.
Probably take a nap.
Take a nap, I might take a shower. I feel like I'm getting like, or maybe I got like a little bit burnt, but that's okay. Another 10 out of 10 day. Perfect day.
11 out of 10.
Yeah, today was pretty perfect. It was awesome. Andrew is fishing. And I guess Natalie is his assistant. You've caught 2 so far? Good job. Show us your gloves again. It was dark. Nice. I feel like all of the vlog is just us sitting on the boat. I took a shower, washed my hair, got all the lake water out. I have not washed my hair since I've been here. Well, we've only been here for like a day and a half, so it's okay. There it is. Good job, Andrew.
Look at it smile on its face.
Whoa. Good job. Holy cow, this is huge. Whoa, Natalie got a huge one.
Olivia.
Come here.
Whoa!
That's huge.
Oh my gosh, look at this fish.
We're having fish tonight!
Watch the lure, watch the lure.
Yeah, I see.
Ready?
Look at the size of it.
Matt, you should hold it and take a picture.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I need my glove though.
Here.
Quickly and careful, don't.
Quick, he's got to get back in the water.
I'm relaxing in the boat, and the waves are rocking. In my pajamas.
Look at your beard.
I already went from day to night.
Hey, nice beard.
Whoa. Not as pretty as this.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom.
I was like, there, FaceTime.